Teachers and all else respect. చెప్పాలి.
Very good morning. This is the academic year 24 and 25. Starting with our new management, we are going to make some of the new academic methods, and also we are going to introduce great changes in field of IIT and NEET program, especially those who are coming to our school, the new joinings of this academic year. You learn many things from our institution. This is the prestigious institution. You all know you are the fortunate children because our dedicated faculty, and we are striving lot for your development and career. You are coming to our school. You are coming to our school with great hopes. We dream to fulfill your dreams and hopes. Our faculty, with me, we also dream to make your hopes and dreams make successful. So all the children and our dedicated faculty members, teachers, all are doing with great efforts and make our dreams fulfill.